Welcome to 8 Ingleside. I am so excited to share this beautiful home with all of you. This is in the heart of Woodbury, and what's beautifully unique about this property is it's one of the handful of homes with private pool and a spa in this area, and I can't wait to show you the inside. Well, let's look at this beautiful kitchen. Is every chef's dream. You have all the appliances that are Monogram, GE Monogram, and then you come in here and look at this great room. When you look at the great room, you have the fireplace here, you have a niche, you can have the TV either here or here, and then you're looking into the pool in the backyard, plus the dining room here. And look at the amount of storage you have, which includes the pantry and all of these cabinets. Plus, we have here a butler's pantry. So we have more storage and more cabinets here. You do have the great room, and also at the entrance you have a formal living room, and I want to show you and give you a glimpse of the pool and spa and the backyard. Look at this beautiful property. The primary suite is right here downstairs, and look at how spacious and big this area is. Plus, enjoy all the built-in closet space here, and cabinetry, and the absolutely beautiful fireplace. Walking into the office, it's very spacious, and what I love about it is you have lots of windows on the side and this side and in the background. It makes this one of the perfect situated part of the house for an office.